Yo guys, it's Unknown Gamer here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make piston doors and a human cannonball today. So let's go. So I'm just loading up the world. There we go. Let's get rid of the lag. There we go. So I'm pin the radar. There we go. So let's start off making the piston doors. So all you need to have is sticky pistons, redstone, and redstone torches. Yep. Grass, any sort of wood if you want, or anything you want actually. And I think that's it for now. So all you want to do is place a sticky piston like that, leave one space, leave another 2 space, leave 1 space, then place 1. So basically you're missing 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Okay, so you have to miss 4 blocks. Then place a redstone here, place a redstone here, place 1 on top, so that, and do the same with the other side. Then you want to make your door. This is your door. Then you just want to cover everything up, and that's it. Okay, that's the first step done. Okay, so once you like finished covering the whole thing, you should do this. So you want to delete 2 blocks. That's what I'm doing right here. And go down, destroy that, place 1 right there, do the same with the other side. Now delete everything right here. I'll delete 2, I'm at 3, yep, and delete 3 here. Do the same on opposite side, place a redstone there, place another redstone here, wait, not there but there, place 2 redstones here. Just keep doing what I'm doing. Just follow what I'm doing right here. Make a straight line of redstone. The same here, and it should close, and then it should be closed still. Then you want to cover up with grass. Oh yeah, and I forgot, guys. You can have a lever. Oops. Or a pressure plate. Well, I'll show you what the pressure plate looks like. So when you hit between these 2, it should open. And yeah, if you use a lever, it could just be 1 if you want. Just pull it. You just go for it, but it won't close though. That's the problem. But it's able to close if you just do this. But you can't get back out. You see what I mean? Same with the pressure plate. But hope you can figure out a way how to make yourself a back entry, a way out. That's what I mean. Well, that's the piston doors done. So once we enter that, that's gonna just be our house. Blah blah blah. But anyway, that's what the piston door looks like. So onto the human cannibal. All you will need is, let's see, obsidian or bedrock. I like bedrock more. Let's see, TNT, water, redstone, let's see, and a button, and you're set. So all you want to do is to build 4x4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three. Wait, I think no, it's actually not by 4x4. I'm sorry, guys, my mistake. 5x5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And you don't have to change the ground because it won't affect anything. We have water underneath here. Then after that, you want to place all redstone all around. Oops, miss a place. Then that's it. And then you want to place one block like that, and another block going up like that. So it should look like that. Then once it's done, you want to place TNT all around, apart from the middle. Just like this. You'll be standing right here. And place the button right here. And you're just set. So basically, go in the water, click the button, and let it explode. I'll look down so you believe me, I went to the sky. Ooh, TNT cannonball. And I just land right here. So I could just place water around here. Then if I just do it, it's just so sick, look. My bad. And there we go. So we do it again. Look down. Hopefully I should land on the water, which I actually don't. So let's try and do this technique. Let's just hope this works. I don't know what I'm just doing. I just want to do this because I'm pretty bored, guys. But anyway, let's just do this. So that. Just click the button. Look down. Explode. Okay, I didn't land on the water. But anyway, guys, please give this video a rate, comment, and a subscribe. And if you don't know what I mean by rate, just click the like button. Well, anyway, peace, people. Sheep. Bye.